the path of light in the darkest of times, your tears, your pain, and your sorrow were not in vain. Today, the flame of hope you left us still burns bright and unyielding. We stand to fight genocide and its ideology, to uproot it from our land and from our hearts. For a person without purpose is already lost, and we choose to live, to rise, and to remember. We remember to rebuild. We unite to move forward. The 1994 genocide against the Tutsis stole our loved ones' parents, children, and generations of dreams. Never again shall such horror return. Together, we protect the bond of unity, the soul of true brotherhood. In the name of the Almighty, to you, our beloved, who departed as we still loved you, rest eternally in peace. We, the youth of 1000 Hills Rugby, vow to honor your legacy. You shall never be forgotten.